Hey guys, it's Crazy Coupons. Welcome back to my channel. And oh my gosh, guys, we have so many awesome deals going on at Dollar General this week. It is absolutely crazy. And I am up super early recording this video, so hopefully I don't wake anybody up. But we just have so many awesome deals. I had to get a head start so that you guys could get out there and grab these deals up before they are gone. So I will definitely be doing 2 videos today, possibly 3 depending on what pops up. With all of these crazy deals, you never know what is going to happen. So just be on the lookout and make sure that you have your notification bell turned on. Now later on today, I will be uploading our regular video where we go over all of the new digital coupons and we find out which coupons are glitching with what products. So make sure that you come back and check that out. But for now, in this video, we are going to be going over the 4-day sale, which starts today, Sunday, November the 21st, and runs through Wednesday, November the 24th. So we have some really good deals, we have some coupon matchups, and we have a run glitch in this video. So before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, please consider doing so, and don't forget to turn on your notifications so that you don't miss out on any of these crazy awesome deals. Also, please give the video a big thumbs up. It is a free way that you can help support my channel. And as always, if you have any questions, comments, deals you want to share, or if you just want to say hello, y'all know I love hearing from you, so please leave me a comment down below before you go. And also take a minute and share this video with somebody that you know so that they can get in on these deals as well. Alright guys, let's jump right in. Alright, so first up, we have a sale on the Pepsi or Mountain Dew 12 packs. These are going to be on sale during this 4-day sale. Now keep that in mind, this does end on Wednesday. These are going to be on sale 3 for $10 until then. Now, we do have a coupon matchup and a quick little daily deal that you can do. So if you want to pick up 3 of the Pepsi or Mountain Dew 12 packs, like I said, they're on sale, 3 for $10, and 2 of the Pepsi or Mountain Dew 1.25 liters for $1 each. That's going to bring your subtotal to $12. Use that 3 off 5 digital coupon on the Pepsi Cola products, and that's going to leave you paying $9 for all 5. Alright, next up we have the Coca-Cola, Sprite, Fanta, Mellow Yellow, and Barks 2 liters. They are going to be on sale 4 for $4 until Wednesday, and that makes those just $1 each. And next up we have the Dr. Pepper, 7-Up, Canada Dry, RC Cola, Sunkist, and A&W 6-packs. They're going to be on sale 4 for $10. And we do have a coupon matchup that will go along with this sale. So you want to pick up 4 of the Canada Dry or 7-Up 6-packs at $10. We have that save $2 when you purchase 3 on the Canada Dry or 7-Up products. So that's going to leave you paying just $8 for 4 6-packs, making those just $2 each. Alright, next up we have Lay's and Cheetos. They're going to be on sale 3 for $6, and that makes those just $2 each. Alright, next up we have some Clover Valley products. So we have the Clover Valley single serve coffee 12 count. Those are going to be on sale for $3.75. We also have the Clover Valley canned pumpkin or the cranberry sauces. Those are going to be on sale for $3. And then we have the Clover Valley 32 ounce broths. Those are going to be on sale for $2, making those $1 each. Alright, next up we have the True Living or Good Cook Essentials Bakeware. These are normally $4 to $12 each, but they're going to be on sale, buy one, get one half off. We also have the Jiffy Foil products. These are normally $1 to $5 each. They're also going to be buy one, get one half off. Alright, next up we have another coupon matchup here. So we have the Brawny Paper Towels 2 count rolls. These are normally $5 each. They're going to be on sale 2 for $8. And we have that 1 off 1 digital coupon. So if you use that, that's going to leave you paying $7 for 2, making those $3.50 each. Alright, next up we have the Fruit of the Loom men's or women's fleece pants, crew, or hoodies. They're going to be on sale 2 for $10. Then we have the Nerds or Sweet Tart candy canes. These are normally $2.50 each, but they're going to be on sale 2 for $4. Down there at the bottom we have the Mother's Animal Cookies. Those are going to be on sale 2 for $4. And then I have never seen this before, but it is something called a Snap Bar. Those are normally $2.25 each. They're going to be on sale 2 for $3. Alright guys, next up we have the Hefty Plates and Party Cups. These are going to be on sale 2 for $7 until Wednesday. And we have a 1 off 2 digital coupon, so that's going to leave you paying $6 for 2, making those $3 each. Right beside it there we have the True Living Ultra Bath Tissue 4 Mega Rolls. These are normally $3.95, but they're going to be on sale for $3.50. Alright guys, next up we have the Purex Liquid Laundry Detergent 128 to 150 ounce bottles. These are priced at $8. We have a 3 off 1 digital coupon, so that's going to leave you paying $5. And just as a friendly reminder, guys, during these big sales that Dollar General has, you want to make sure that you are checking your DG account for new coupons almost every single day, okay? At the very least, check your YouTube subscription feed. That way, if there's any awesome deals that pop up and I don't have time to make a full video for it, you guys will see my community post in your feed if you're subscribed. Alright guys, next up we have the Valvoline High Mileage Motor Oil 1 quart. These are going to be on sale, buy one, get one free. So you're going to pay $4.65 for two. And then right there beside it, we have the Peak Antifreeze Coolant 50/50 1 gallons. These are normally $11. They're going to be buy one, get one free. So you're going to pay $11 for two. And we also have a 50-cent off one digital coupon that will go right along with that sale. So pick up two of the Peak Long Life 50/50 Antifreeze 128 ounces for $11. Use that 50-cent off digital coupon, and that's going to be paying $10.50 for two. Alright y'all, I think I've made you wait long enough, so here is our run glitch. Hopefully most of you guys are still with me. But here is our run glitch, and I'm going to tell you why, and this will help you be on the lookout for future run glitches. Alright, so what happens with Dollar General and these 3-day sales or 4-day sales or even a 2 or a 1-day sale, which we also have coming up this week, is sometimes they give us a sale and they put that in the system so that the registers will take off that free item or 50% off or whatever it may be, but they also give us a coupon for that same sale. They didn't mean to do that, but it happens. So I'm not sure if it's like a miscommunication or what, but this is exactly what is happening right now today on Sunday with these BIC lighters. So as you can see on your screen, this is what is pictured in the ad. It is buy one BIC lighters 5-pack at $4.95, and you're going to get one of the BIC Easy Reach lighters, which are normally $3 each. You're going to get that one for free. So had everything went as planned, we would be paying $4.95 for both products, which is a $7.95 value. So it's not a bad deal, but Dollar General also gave us a buy one, get one free coupon this morning, and the sale and the coupon are stacking. So here's the deal. And really quickly before I show you the deal, I do want to say if you want in on this deal, I would definitely run out and do this glitch today, because typically in the past when we've had these really cheap deals like this, such as not too long ago we had the all laundry packs and we were getting the sale price during this 3-day sale plus a digital coupon matchup, and we were getting them for like 1 or 2 pennies. So it was a really, really awesome deal, basically free. And it took Dollar General maybe half the day. It was fixed by lunchtime or early evening. So like I said, if you want to get in on this deal, you need to run out this morning and do this deal before it's fixed. Alright guys, so here is your run glitch. You want to go out and pick up one of the 5-count BIC lighters at $4.95 and one of the BIC Easy Reach lighters. Those are priced at $3. Like I said, the sale, and we did receive a DG store coupon for buy one, get one free this morning. Both of those are stacking. So that is going to leave you paying $1.23 for two. That's a total of 6 lighters. And like I said before, that's a $7.95 value. So a pretty good little deal there. Now, before you click off of the video, just hang with me a couple more minutes. I promise I will not keep you long. I do want you guys to go and run and get in on that glitch, but I also want you guys to be informed of this 4-day sale because we have some humongous savings. So just grab your shoes and listen up while you're, tying your shoes, grabbing your purse, finding your keys, stuff like that. And I'm going to tell you about these awesome deals. So first up, we have an awesome savings on the Vibe tailgate speaker. This is wireless, LED, and Bluetooth. These are normally $50, but they're on sale right now for just $30. So that's a $20 savings right there. Then right next to it, we have the Craig Mini Tower portable Bluetooth speaker. These are normally $20, but right now they're on sale for $15. And then we have the karaoke microphones. These are normally $12. They're half off right now at $6. Alright, next up we have a good idea for some stocking stuffers. So we have DVD and Blu-ray movies. These are $4.95 each. They're going to be on sale, buy two, get one for free. And then right beside it, we have an awesome, amazing deal on batteries. We all are going to need some batteries, right? And this is an amazing deal. I told y'all a couple of months ago, now is the time to stock up on your batteries for the entire year because you will not see sales like this again. So we have the Generate heavy duty or alkaline batteries. These are normally $1 to $9.50 each. They're going to be on sale until Wednesday. Buy one, get one free. So that is a huge savings right there. And especially if you have little kids, oh my gosh, do I remember the days. My kids are a little bit older now and their stuff doesn't need quite as many batteries. Still a couple here and there. But I remember when every single present that they opened up needed batteries, and you do not want to be that parent who runs out of batteries on Christmas Day. So make sure you're stocked up and take advantage of this sale. And then next up, we have several items that are going to be 25% off. So we have the LED light bar, the light strip, the color changing shower head, the tripod bendy, the flex view phone mount, and the neck mount. And these start out at $4. All right, next up, we have an instant savings of $5 on the Comfort Bay blankets. Those are priced anywhere from $15 to $35. And then right there beside it, we have an awesome deal. Great idea for stocking stuffers. We have your toboggans, scarves, and gloves. Those are going to be buy one, get one free until Wednesday. All right, next up, we have the kids character headphones. These are normally $10, but they're going to be half off until Wednesday, so that's going to leave you paying $5. And then we have toy vehicles or vehicle play sets. These are normally $1 to $20. They're going to be 25% off until Wednesday. All right, last slide, guys. So we have the hats, stockings, or 2-pack mini stockings. These are priced at $1, but they're going to be 25% off, so that's going to leave you paying just 75 cents until Wednesday. And then we have the lighted garlands. These are normally $7 to $10 each, and they are also going to be 25% off until Wednesday. Alright guys, so that's it for me for now. I hope y'all enjoyed this video and I hope it was helpful for you. Now go ahead and run out and get in on that run glitch, and then if you score, come back and let me know, alright? Now before you go, if you're not already subscribed, please consider doing so. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button because it's a free way that you can help support my channel. And as always, if you have any questions, comments, deals you want to share, or if you just want to say hello, y'all know I love hearing from you, so please leave me a comment down below before you go. And also take a minute and share this video with somebody that you know so they can in on deals as well. Alright guys, thank you all so much for watching. I hope you have a great day, and I will see you on the next one.